Hi there. In this video, we will be talking about regenerative buildings and communities. Let me tell you that they are sustainable environments that evolve with living systems. Regenerative buildings and communities contribute to the long-term renewal of resources as well as life. Here, it is important to note that the term regenerative describes processes that restore, revitalize, or renew their own energy sources as well as materials, while sustainably designed buildings are based on the concept of using the minimum resources. Regenerative buildings and communities are designed as well as operated to reverse the damage and have a net positive impact on the environment. Regenerative buildings and communities are often those that save rainwater, have green roofs and skins, and produce and store energy on site, etc. To learn more about sustainability, green development, and opportunity zones, visit www.buildgreenlife.com.